guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tina and today is BoxyCharm Day. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, you are so missing out. It is a subscription service where you get 5 full-size products for $21 a month, and they are always amazing. The box looks like this, and I've tried to restrain myself from opening it. I had to untape it and things started falling out, so I do know what a couple things are. Each month there's a theme. This month's theme is vacation. Their little themes are always cute, and on the back they have all of the information about the products, how much they cost, and what they do. Let's jump into the box and create an amazing look with whatever's in here. Hopefully it's all makeup because I've already done my foundation and brows. First thing I'm pulling out is, of course, skincare. This is from South Maine. It's 3 eye gel packs. I couldn't use them right now anyways, but I will use these. I love eye gel packs. My eyes right now totally need them. So the next thing out of the box is Wow Mascara, Double Decker Mascara from Butter London. It's in a huge tube with one of them funky wands. I like those wands sometimes I don't. We'll see how that works out. The next thing I'm finding is a blush by Pretty Vulgar. The packaging is just beautiful looking. I mean, look at that, so pretty. It's too bad it wasn't metal because this feels really cheap. The color is beautiful. This is in Make Them Blush. Love that color. So next is a set of brushes. The Smoky Eye brush set from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. I am not going to open this. I've bought brushes from Vintage from TJ Maxx before, and they were not my favorite. They just don't work for me, so I'm not even going to open this. This is going to go in a giveaway or something, so hopefully someone else will enjoy these more than I will. There is a 25% off coupon to Butter London in here. A lot of times certain brands will put a coupon code. This one is, if you spend $50, you get 25% off. Totally great. So the last thing in here, I think this is a palette. It's got a ton of packaging around it. This is from Pure Cosmetic. It is the BoxyCharm Loves Pure palette. It has a very nice mirror in here. The whole front of this I don't want to show you because the lights will just blind you, but the colors are beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. So let's do that. I'm going to take Perfect. His names are funny. I'm going to take Perfect and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I already have down a primer. And I also, the reason my under eyes look weird is because I have a ton of powder down just in case this palette has issues. So these pinks here, there's 3 of them in a row that are really light, but they're really pretty. If you wanted to do a pastel look, you could easily do that and go with that pink shimmer there. But there's also this vibrant blue. Wow, look at that. And this beautiful pinky purple. I love Pure eyeshadow palettes. Some of them work a little differently. I discovered with the My Little Pony palette, you have to approach them slightly different than the rest of their palette. We're gonna start out with a light look and build up maybe to a more dramatic look. I have a dentist appointment, we'll see what happens. I'm going to take Belle, which is this pinky shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my outer corner over here. Yeah, these are very, I mean, it's a pretty shade, but when you're pale like me, if you want a really nice bridal look, this would be beautiful for that. See how that looks? It is definitely on there. It's just because of the shade of my skin, it doesn't really show up very well. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of Duet, which is this brown shade right here. I believe it's a matte. It looks like it might have a little bit of shimmer in it. It's tough to, just a tiny bit of glitter. Oh, and that shade has some fallout. Although this brush, if there is any fallout to be had, it really does kick it up. But I really love the size of it, so I use it anyways. And that is a super pigmented shade. I'm just gonna go back into Belle, which is that pink, and I'm gonna sort of blend those two together. Okay, so I have a very light look going on right now. I'm gonna take Squad. This is a shimmer, like a peachy shimmer. And I'm gonna see what that looks like coming into the center of my lid using a small flat shader brush. And that's what it looks like all over my lid. Very soft and delicate looking. So I'm gonna start building up some color here. And I'm gonna take Bay, which is this beautiful rose color. And I'm gonna put that right in the center of my lid. Okay, so if you want real color payoff with this palette on the shimmers, use your fingers. The tools God gave you are gonna be the tools for you. They really do pop out those shades so much better than the brush does. Even a really good flat shader brush is just not doing the job your fingers will do. And I'm gonna get my fingers a little bit wet and we're gonna see if we can build those up. Use a little bit of dampness on your finger, then tap into it, and you're really gonna pull those shades out. I mean, the difference in pigmentation is amazing. So I have a feeling it will be that way with them darker shades too, like the magenta and the blue, especially that blue. Use your fingers, and if you're still not getting what you want, get your fingers a little bit damp and go to town, and you're gonna get a beautiful look. So I'm gonna take the magenta and bring that under my eye, and I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna sort of blend it up into that corner. I'm gonna take my flat shader brush and take ATL, I think that's what that says, which is a shimmery kind of plummy color that really goes well with that brush. And I'm just gonna stick it over here in this outer corner. I may need to use my fingers to build it up as well. This appears to be kind of a rosy gold duochrome. It's super pretty. Yeah, and to really get that to pop out right there in that corner, I am gonna spray my brush. And then I'm going to take that same brush and just blend that ATC underneath my eye right into almost the inner corner. And then I'm gonna take Charmer, which is a beautiful shimmer, perfect for the inner corner, and a very tiny little flat brush. But I like using it just to pop that inner corner. Like, it's like the perfect size for getting on top of my tear duct. So I'm gonna take my Super Cat from Soap and Glory and do a quick eyeline. And then I'm just gonna do the outer corner in my Smashbox eyeliner. Now for the blush. I hope this looks as pretty on as it does in the pan. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna take my Smashbox highlighting set and use the second color right here. See how this double-decker London works? I've gotten way too many mascaras lately that I did not like. Wow, I am in love with that mascara. I love the way it makes my lashes look all fluttery. I have this Pretty Vulgar lip gloss that I got in BoxyCharm a couple months ago. I love this color. And it goes perfect with that blush, doesn't it? I'm loving this look. Oh, loving it. So pretty and soft with a little bit of heat in the corners of my eyes just to really pop them out, and that blush is stunning. I love this look and I love this palette. Absolutely love it. If you're not used to using some of Pure's different sort of products, you may have a harder time with getting them to really come out at you. As you can see, they blend out gorgeous, and you really can build up them shimmers. You just need to use your fingers or a damp brush, but your fingers are gonna do best, trust me. It sort of melts the color or something and makes it just look phenomenal. I don't even think glitter glue would do as well as your fingers with those colors. And if you have nails, I can see how this palette would drive you nuts. That's what was in this month's BoxyCharm. Let's take a look at the prices. The Pure palette is $36. The Butter London Double Decker Mascara is $20. Holy crap, this stuff is amazing. The South Main eye mask things, these are $10. The Smoky Eye brush set is $23.15. Weird price, and no, I totally disagree with that. And the Pretty Vulgar blush, which I am loving, is $26. I'll put up a thing that tells you how much the whole kit was. Love it. As always, BoxyCharm totally knocks it out of the park for me. I love their boxes. I love all the stuff I get from them. And I love the fact that I just get to create fun looks with whatever they send me, and it's like a surprise, so it's like Christmas every month. And I'm super excited about this look. I don't normally do like this sort of super flushed sex kitten look. Like it though. I'm totally gonna rock that.